I'll show you how you can factory reset your Android phone to default. First off, you want to go to settings. After you go to settings, you want to go to about phone. On about phone, scroll down and then find factory reset here. On factory reset, you will erase all of these things. You will release your contacts, your photos and videos, your apps, your accounts, your backups, your SD card data, and other items on this device. Your phone will be returned to its prior state before you got it, so it'll be in its factory state, which means it'll just be like this phone was never yours, and it'll just be a normal phone again after that. All of your data will be erased. Make sure you know what you're doing. After that, just press on that button down there, and then after that, the factory reset will commence. It'll take a couple of minutes, and after that, your phone will be back to its original state right out of the factory with none of your data. So make sure you back up all of your data before you're doing this.